Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Today, I'm super excited to dive into a tool that's been making waves in the YouTube community, VidIQ. If you're wondering how to take your channel to the next level, stick around because we're about to unpack what VidIQ brings to the table. 1. User-friendly interface. First things first, let's talk about how user-friendly VidIQ is. I mean, seriously, it's like they knew we're not all tech wizards. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it a breeze to navigate. 2. Audience insights. VidIQ isn't just about the numbers, it's about understanding who's watching your content. With audience demographics, you can finally answer that burning question, who are my viewers? It's like getting to know your YouTube fan club. 3. Engagement analytics. What's a video without engagement, right? VidIQ dishes out engagement stats that even I can wrap my head around. You'll see how viewers are interacting with your content, likes, comments, shares, the whole shebang. 4. Search performance. We all want our videos to pop up when someone types in a search, right? VidIQ has your back with its search performance insights. It's like your personal guide to understanding how your videos show up in YouTube searches. 5. Keyword research. Say goodbye to scratching your head for video ideas. VidIQ's keyword research tool gives you a peek into what people are searching for. No more guesswork, just straight up ideas that can make your next video a hit. 6. Competitor analysis. Now, this one's cool. VidIQ lets you spy on your competitors. They don't need to know. You'll see what's working for them, so you can sprinkle a bit of that magic on your channel too. 7. Channel audits. If you've ever wondered how your channel's doing overall, VidIQ's channel audit is like a health checkup for your YouTube home. It highlights what's awesome and where you could amp things up. So, there you have it, VidIQ in a nutshell. Whether you're just starting or you've been in the YouTube game for a while, this tool is like having a secret weapon in your pocket. It's not about complicated tech stuff, it's about boosting your channel's growth in a way that even I can understand. So, there you have it, VidIQ in a nutshell. Whether you're just starting or you've been in the YouTube game for a while, this tool is like having a secret weapon in your pocket. It's not about complicated tech stuff, it's about boosting your channel's growth in a way that even I can understand. So, go ahead, give it a shot, and let your YouTube journey. Time to turn those YouTube dreams into reality. The secret sauce awaits. Dive in by clicking the link in the description. Let's VidIQ and conquer.